Morning guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing channel. My name's Kyle and just wanted to talk to you about advertising stuff. So for you guys that are detailers out there, I'm wondering, do you guys just do online advertising? Do you put signs out? And if so, where do you normally put it? Because I've got some signs out and I put it along a busy road where there wasn't anybody's property. It was kind of like a county area. So there's no sidewalk or anything, no walking path, so it was kind of a good area to put it. Wouldn't make enemies with anybody to put it where I had it, because it wasn't on somebody's property or anything like that. But had somebody mess with it, I'll show you the sign. And somebody cut it, and then it was on one of those little metal stake posts. They ripped it off and they threw it in the bushes. So I don't know what's up with that. It's kind of immature. You can see it, the cut went all the way down to here. The sign was getting kind of dirty. I should have wiped it and get it all cleaned up, but I don't know what's up with people messing with the sign. See, I don't know if they kicked it, but it started rubbing off the white or the red paint. But it's like, I don't know why somebody be messing with the sign when it's not on their property and not doing any harm, just trying to make a living, you know.